Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for CyberScout covered services. As a leader in cybersecurity and identity protection, CyberScout offers a range of services to help individuals and businesses protect themselves from cyber threats. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to ensure you get the most out of CyberScout covered services. First, it is essential to understand what CyberScout covered services entail. These services include identity theft protection, credit monitoring, and cybersecurity protection. To maximize the benefits of these services, it is crucial to be proactive and take preventive measures. One of the best practices for CyberScout covered services is to monitor your credit report regularly. This helps you detect any suspicious activity or errors that could indicate identity theft. You can request a free credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus and review it carefully for any discrepancies. Another critical best practice is to use strong and unique passwords for all your online accounts. This includes your email, social media, and banking accounts. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name, birth date, or common words. Instead, use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. In addition to password protection, it is vital to keep your devices and software up to date. This includes installing the latest security patches and updates for your operating system, browser, and other software. Outdated software can leave you vulnerable to cyber attacks, so make sure to update regularly. CyberScout also offers identity theft protection services, which include monitoring your personal information and alerting you to any suspicious activity. To get the most out of this service, make sure to provide accurate and complete information about yourself, including your name, address, and social security number. Finally, it is essential to be cautious when using public Wi-Fi or accessing sensitive information online. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities such as online banking or shopping. And consider using a virtual private network to encrypt your internet traffic. In conclusion, by following these best practices, you can maximize the benefits of CyberScout covered services and protect yourself from cyber threats. Remember to monitor your credit report regularly. Use strong and unique passwords. Keep your devices and software up to date. Provide accurate information for identity theft protection. And be cautious when using public Wi-Fi. By taking these proactive steps, you can enjoy peace of mind and stay safe in the digital world.